Hello folks! Okay, in the last couple of videos, we've built our model, we've added some computed properties, so we're pretty good to go with our model. The only thing we haven't done yet is put our model into our MVC. So, let's take our model now and implement it in the controller. So, the first thing we have to do is the to-do list is no longer an array of strings. It's going to be an array of what? It's going to be an array of to-do objects. And that's the way you make an array of something. And this is the way you initialize the array. So I now have an array of to-do objects. We now have to fix this in a couple of places. The first place we're going to go is when we add a new to-do. This time, when we add, we used to be appending what? We used to be appending a string. But now, if I open this up, I need to append a what? I need to append a to-do. So how do I build a to-do on the fly? I simply call the constructor. Now you'll see there's two constructors available to me. There's one with the title only and one with the string, the description, and the priority. Since this to-do is based on the quick to-do, the only thing I have is the title. So I'm going to choose the first option and my string will be the title. And we need a second bracket to close that up. So instead of appending a string to my to-do list, I'm now appending an instance of a to-do object. Well, where else do we have to go to fix things up? Well, we have to go to our cell for row at index path. Remember, we're outputting two things in every row. We're outputting the title. So now, instead of just this, I gotta output the title because this whole thing here is what? That is a full to-do, so I want the title of the to-do. I'm gonna copy this part because I want something else here. We could put all kinds of things, but just for now, let's put the created date. Could I write just created date there? No, look what happens. We get an error. Why do we get an error? Because we can't assign a date to a string. Right? Dates and strings are not compatible, but what did we do in our model? We added a special computed property. So we can say, don't give us the created date, give it to us as a string. So now, whenever we output a cell, we're outputting the title as the main piece of data and the created date. Later on in this demo, we might output something else, but that's what we're going to do for now. So look at how easy, it only took me a couple minutes to implement the model. So let's try out the app now. The first thing you'll notice is I took away the sample data. So when we run the app, the system will be empty. Right? We have no data in our table. So let's quick add something here. And I'll say go have dinner. And if I add that, it'll come up as go have dinner with today's date. Boom, it came out nicely. This is what the medium looks like. You could play with it and see what other ones look like. I could add another one here. Make more videos. I can add that, and there we go. And don't forget, we're going to make this much more dynamic, but the app is now becoming somewhat real. So don't forget, we can delete. So we now have a real NPC. We have a model, which is an array of objects. We have a view, which is our storyboard, and we have a controller, which is coordinating everything. Great. In the next video, we're going to start adding a second NPC. In other words, we're going to go to another screen where we could add more details and edit existing to-dos. So I'll see you when we do those videos. Take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.